JL here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a MoneyGram account. To make your MoneyGram account, it's simple. Just first download it in the Google Play Store or in your App Store, or just log in into a website. First, you'll press the register button in the top right corner. You'll place your email address, password, and then you'll have to confirm the password. So these are the password requirements as stated right here. One uppercase, one number, one letter, and then you'll have to place your phone number. You'll have to select the region, of course, as according to your own phone number, and then you will have to opt in if you want to send emails and get text messages about it. So next here, you will have to put on a little more information. So this is going to be pretty simple. First legal name, middle name, last name, and then your second last name if listed on the ID. So name of date of birth, of course, and then your home and billing address, and then you'll be able to create your profile from there. They will verify this with your ID, of course, and then you'll be on your way. So that is how you make a MoneyGram account. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.